Hi everyone, hope all's well. Today we've got the Hotpoint Smart Tech WMFUG742 here today in the video. We're going to be washing some bricks and it's on top of some yellow rollers at the moment that I bought today. I was in B&Q's and I saw them for a pretty good price, so I thought why not do this? Trust me to think that, eh? So down in the corner there we have a brick and a pod because I want to clean my bricks, as you can see. And we've got a towel in there ready, as hopefully that can get a bit of a wash as well. I don't really care about it. Hope you enjoy. So let's give you a bit of an idea of how the bearings are sounding. They're not too bad. They have been worse actually. This is best it's sounded in a while. Let's put the pod at the back of the drum, as they always state in the instructions. Put the towel on top. Let's put one brick, 2.5, and another half, so that's 3, and then last one, 4. So it's a bit of a bulky load. Right, let's close the door. I bet this is going to be very loud. Let's switch it on. I only want a 30-minute wash, and we'll do it on cold, as these pod brands often recommend you do it on cold, as apparently they work better. Well, I'll be the judge of that. Change the temperature down to cold, and let's just hit start. All I can say is fingers crossed you don't smash that glass. That drum ain't gonna do much washing in it after this, I can tell you that. Okay, we're taking more water in. I don't know how this is going to react, to be honest. Maybe it would dance around a bit on them rollers. That's what I'm hoping anyways. That's the idea of them. As you can see in the corner of the video up there where my finger is, that's where the drain hose is draining into, as there's nowhere else to drain it in the garden. I don't really want to kill my grass. Oh, I am so nervous. Why did I ever think this was a good idea? I don't know, but it was an idea that I wanted to do for a while. So yeah, I'm not going to film the whole thing. I'm only going to film it bit by bit. Aren't I an intelligent individual? I can say that again, can't I? What the hell is it doing? Is it just freaked out? Does it not want to work? Oh no, it's still going. Why is it? Oh, it's doing distribution time. You really have no idea how loud this is. This is quite ridiculous. I can tell you again, I won't be doing a brick wash again. I don't know if the bricks will come out in one piece or what. I can't hope I do. definitely prefer it when that towel's touching that glass. It sounds don't sound as rough. Shame it ain't plastic, that door glass, because it'd be a lot quieter, wouldn't it? Being honest with you, that water looks filthy as well, which I ain't surprised about. I think we'll come back to it when it starts to do a spin, or if it smashes the glass, I reckon. We'll come back to it then. Okay, we're draining. This won't be its first spin, this will just be a distribution. And then we'll be doing the first rinse, I guess. I believe anyways, I don't know. I don't think it does a spin, from what I remember. I bet that drum's looking very beaten up in there at the moment, how much those bricks are slumming around. It's getting there though. It is moving around on them rollers a little bit too, which is good. I do believe that's the first rinse, but for some reason it always shows a wash and stuff. I don't know why it does. of a shame it jumped off the rollers, but that was quite entertaining. I'll move the table over here and we'll continue filming, I suppose, as it's obviously walked away and you can't really see it as well as it was in its original position. It's a bit strange, it keeps doing these really long pauses. I'm not really sure why it does. It never used to do this, I'm pretty sure. But I've also noticed that the dorsal's leaking. Oh, there we go, it's turning. Just probably about C, it's leaking water out of the door. I'm guessing that's from where it keeps pushing the door when the bricks hit it. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't understand that as it's maybe it thinks as it's struggling it's got a problem with the motor or something because of how the bricks keep maybe interfering with how it turns or something. I don't know. Bit annoyed it jumped off the rollers. I might next time when I do this I might try and bolster them onto the machine so it doesn't fall off again. If I ever do this again, because I don't know if I will. Maybe, we'll see if I do it again in the future, one day. I have to say, it's definitely an experience in itself. I didn't really know what to expect from doing this. There we go, we're pumping on, well, we're doing the final spin now, we've got 5 minutes left. I think it does an 800 spin, yeah, it does an 800 spin on this one. So that's the end of that. It's flashing end. We'll wait for the door to unlock and we have a look at the bricks in the drum and see how well it's washed them. I'm pretty impressed, if I'm honest with you. I didn't really think it would be that interesting, but to me it was quite interesting anyway, filming this. Like I say, it's a shame it came off them rollers, but you know, don't matter. It still did a pretty merry dance in the last spin, bashing that front. I don't know if you can see on the video, but the front's pretty bent from all the slamming around this drum's done in it, inside the cabinet since I've had it outside. It's gone through a lot, to be fair, in just the past few weeks, hasn't it really? Alright, we'll come back and I'll come back to it when it unlocks, as I ain't waiting 2 minutes. Okay, so it's just clicked on through to end. It's done its beeping and all that stuff it normally does. Hopefully it's washed them bricks quite well on a cold wash. Let's just go and have a look at it. Let's switch it off to save a bit of power, because this is going to save a lot of power, isn't it? Let's rip open the door and have a look. Oh, look at that drum. Oh man, look at that. Don't look as happy as it used to. Let's get this towel out, seeing it's at the front. Yeah, maybe we'll wash this towel in another machine, or maybe rewash it in this one. Pedal's starting to come off there. Not a good sign, but that's understandable. The drum's a bit bent, to be honest with you, from all that action, which ain't good. There's the brick, one of the bricks. Turned out okay. Oh, that's actually quite good. This one, well, I think that staining was just going to stay anyways. We should have done a Qantas 90 maybe, and it would have come off. Next one, oh, heavy one. These ones are quite heavy. Yeah, no, looks alright. Looks clean. Next one. Yeah, I think this was the dirty one, the dirtiest one out of the two, or out of all of them even. Don't know, I have to look back. And this one, I think this one was pretty dirty too, and it's cleaned up all right. Let's turn that drum. So that pedal's obviously came off, well, starting to come off. This one starting to come off as well. So is this one. Well, they're all coming off at the front, which I find a bit interesting. This one's the worst out of all three. And listen to them happy bearings. They sound very happy. After that wash we did in it. But, you know, I don't know if I'll be doing any more experiments with this one anymore. I think it's time to brick and get rid of it maybe. Don't know. Unless you have any suggestions in the comments of what I should do with it, I don't know. Alright then, I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.